Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create the sunlight effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have the sunlight effect. First, select the Create a New Layer icon under the Layer panel to create a new layer. Change the blending mode from normal to hard light. Next, select the Create New Fill icon under the Layer panel and choose Gradient. Now, change the Style option in the Gradient Fill pop-up to Radial from the drop-down menu and drag the fill accordingly. Then, click on the Gradient option and choose Foreground to Transparent from the basic preset in the Gradient Editor box. Double-click on the right side color stop icon and change the color to red. Now, click in the middle of the color bar to add a new color stop icon in the middle. Double-click on the newly added icon and change the color to light orange, adjusting the gradient accordingly. If you want the evening sun in the image, do not change the left side color stop icon. If you don't want the evening sun, double-click on the left side color stop icon and change the color to bright orange accordingly, then click OK. Now, increase the scale as needed according to your preference. Finally, adjust the opacity of the layer based on your preference. Now you have the preferred sunlight effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.